Hello, everyone. My name is Sam, and I'm excited to present our work, Virtual Fidgets, Opportunities and Design Principles for Bringing Fidgeting to Online Learning. This work is a collaboration with Nicole Sullivan and Jina Yoon from the University of Washington. Trying to maintain attention during long video conferences can lead to emotional burnout, sometimes known as Zoom fatigue. Fidgeting enables people to release pent-up energy, allowing them to pay more attention and even increase retention of lecture material. In the virtual world, when a student watching a video lecture has trouble focusing, they are likely to turn to activities unrelated to the lecture, such as social media. We propose virtual fidgets within online learning environments for the purpose of preserving students' attention. We identify 4 core design principles to serve as guidelines for designing domain-specific virtual fidgets for online lectures. HCI researchers have built systems to incorporate fidgeting in various environments. We differentiate our work by focusing on online learning environments for college students and use existing tools as design probes to inform the development of specialized fidgets for online learning. To understand how students feel about using virtual fidgets alongside their online lectures, we conducted a study of students attending an online lecture using one of 3 pre-existing tools. We asked a mixture of Likert scale and short answer questions and conducted a thematic analysis on students' responses. All of the participants reported getting distracted during their most recent video lecture, and all reported using other sites during these moments of distraction, such as email or social media. Participants ended up choosing 2 of the 3 fidget options, desktop pets and fluid simulation. The biggest impact of the fidget was in preventing around 62% of participants from switching to other sites. Other responses were more varied, indicating that some individuals may benefit more from fidgeting than others. Throughout our thematic analysis, we identified 8 themes that capture the range of participants' thoughts about using the fidget. Sites. The user reported that the use of the fidget helped them not use other sites. Physicality. The user commented on the physical nature of the fidget. Novelty. The user had a different experience of the fidget at first compared to once they were familiar with it. Companionship. The user commented on a feeling of having a companion due to the presence of the fidget. Location. The user referenced the location of the fidget. Intrusiveness. The user described the intrusiveness of the fidget. Focus. The user described a change in focus as a result of the fidget. Finally, visual. The user commented on the aesthetic appeal of the fidget. Here are the relative frequencies of each theme, separated by fidget used. Users most frequently brought up the location and intrusiveness of the fidget, indicating that these factors have a large impact on the user experience. The intervention of adding a virtual fidget was successful as an intermediary distraction barrier for a majority of participants. We found that students' impressions of the fidgets were overall positive, suggesting that tools built for virtual fidgeting is a worthwhile intervention in online learning. From this feedback, we proposed principles for designing domain-specific virtual fidgets intended for students watching online lectures. We identified that the fidget should be context-aware, promote physical interaction, be visually appealing, and be easy to adopt. We have shown that virtual fidgets can benefit students watching online lectures and that the concept is worth pursuing in future work. Thank you.